Can you name the man who built a $12 billion company from rural India? Meet Sridhar Vembu, the visionary behind Zoho Corporation. He's also the man who's making headlines once again with Arattai, a made-in-India messaging service that's gone viral. Arattai is blowing up with 3.5 lakh daily downloads. It works on the slowest phones, the weakest networks, and is being hailed as a digital Swadeshi weapon, a homegrown alternative to WhatsApp. But let's rewind to get you a glimpse of Sridhar Vembu's extraordinary journey. Born in 1968 in a small farming village in Tamil Nadu's Thanjavur district, Vembu was the first in his family to attend college. He studied electrical engineering at IIT Madras and later earned his PhD from Princeton University. Now, despite having a high-paying job in the US and a ticket to Silicon Valley success, he walked away from it all. Vembu was driven by a deeper purpose. That's when he returned to India and founded AdventNet, which built network management and software for telecom providers. Now, AdventNet transformed into Zoho in 2009, offering a full suite of cloud-based business tools now used in over 150 countries by over 100 million users. And all this while remaining fiercely independent, refusing venture capital or external investors. Not just that, Vembu rejected the urban tech hub model. He relocated Zoho's development centers to rural Tamil Nadu. Zoho's offices in small-town India employ thousands, bringing world-class jobs and revitalizing rural economies. Today, Zoho is recognized as one of India's most valuable and globally impactful SaaS brands. He also launched Zoho Schools, which train rural youth, many without college degrees, in software development, design, and product thinking. His vision is to make villages, not metros, the breeding ground of world-class innovation. Sridhar Vembu's journey is proof that innovation isn't limited by geography, it's powered by purpose. If this story inspired you, save this video and share it with your friends.